Hello everyone. In this lecture we will see how to create a web page and learn about the basic tags. Open brackets and go to File, New. So first save this file and you can open the location where you want to save. So we have discussed about the directory structure. Here you can see I'll save it index.html. The first page usually call it index.html because server can figure out when you open this, let's say jupitervidya.com, it will fetch this index.html page. So I'll create here HTML page. Then I'll generate the basic code. Alt, Control, Enter. If you want to see the shortcut, here you can go to this extension, emit, and here you can see Alt, Control, Enter. Select this and it will generate. Okay. Now let's understand these tags. So what is a tag? Whatever you write inside these angular bracket, that is known as a tag. There are two types of tag which start and close. So here you can see a starting tag and closing. To close it we just use slash. But there are few tags they just start, there is no closing tag. Now you can see here Doctype, no closing tag, HTML start and close, body start and close, head start and close, title start and close, slash. For meta there is no closing tag. So always remember, few tags they don't close. And here inside these angular bracket we have to write the name of the tag. Okay, let's understand this. The first tag is Doctype HTML. Here we just inform the browser this particular file is an HTML page. And previously we used to specify the version also, like 4 point something. Now when you specify HTML, it means it's just a HTML5, the latest one. Now after informing the browser that this is a HTML page, HTML starts. So you can see here it starts here and it ends here. Everything is inside HTML. From here you can collapse it. Okay. Now HTML is divided into two parts, head and body. Head contains some meta tags, title and external resource, some links, let's say CSS or any other thing. Usually it is not visible on the page, the head section. Title, you can see here, title can be seen. The next part is main body. So this, let me show you. Here you can see this white part, this is a body, the visible area in a page. And head section contains meta information or title. Here you can see the title. So here just specify the language and head starts. So what is this meta tag? Here in meta, the first, this is known as attributes. Okay, so this is the name of the tag. Here you can see in blue color, this is a tag name. But then after that you see one more thing here, right? This is known as attribute. And attribute and then equals to, this is value. So syntax is, here we specify tag name, then some attribute equals to, and double quotes, some value. Okay, in this attribute, this value, these double quotes are optional if the value is just a one word. But if there are so many things here, suppose value something, then you must add double quotes. So, but anyway, this is the good practice. You can add double quotes here. If I have to write one more attribute, another attribute name equals to some value. So tag name, then attributes, then equals to and value. So here tag name is meta, and the one attribute is character set equals to UTF-8. So what is this UTF-8? UTF-8 is very popular character set. It support all the characters in all the human languages. So maybe your website is in different language. It can be Chinese, it can be Spanish or German language, whatever language you use, it supports it. If you are more interested in UTF-8, you can just go through the Wikipedia. I'll show you. Just Google UTF-8 and you can see in Wikipedia. So there are some interesting facts you can see here. So it is capable of encoding, you can see, these many characters. So it's a big number, right? Previously we used to use ASCII values. You can see here ASCII code, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. The problem is it supports limited character set, but when you use UTF-8, you can see the number of character set it can support. And it's very popular, and most of the website we use UTF-8 only. You can see the stat here, and as of Feb 2019, for almost 93% websites use this UTF-8. So you can read this document if you are more interested in learning about UTF-8, but this is a standard, so we use UTF-8 character set. Okay, the next is title. Title is very important. Let me just change it. Web designing course. So why it is important? Because this, I'll save it, and remember here for live preview you have to just, I'll disconnect it. Only first time you have to do, one time, and it will open the page in live preview. Next time you have to just save it and then open it. So you can see here title, web designing course. I'll change it, web designing online course. Now I'll just save this page, Ctrl S and Alt Tab, and see here it is updated. So this is the advantage of live preview. Okay, I'll discuss more about this meta and all these other meta tags and title. Let's first understand the other structure, other elements here. So here you can see head is closed. Now next is body. Inside body we write the content which will be visible to the page inside here. So let's add heading. So there total are 6 heading, H1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll use H1 and web designing class. Here you can write the content. See, H1 start and it close. Save it, go back and see here. It is visible here. Now you can always right click and see view page source. This will show you the code here. See, this is the HTML code behind this page, but here you cannot modify. Okay, this is just showing the code. This you can do for any page. So let's say in the Wikipedia, right click here, view page source, and you can see here this code. Yeah, this is a script, some CSS part, some JavaScript part, some HTML. So you can see here. We'll explore more about these other stuff. And then you can see at the end HTML close. So this is a basic tags here, all these tags which you can see in blue color, and this is known as attribute, and this is the value. So many tags comes with the we have a different types of attributes. So all these different HTML element or tags have attributes. So we'll explore more about this in coming lecture.